Gardiner Point Residence Hall has set a new standard for college housing. Each room has 2 beds, 2 desks, a large armoire, and a space for a refrigerator or microwave. Plus, each room has a full bathroom. In our dining room, you can feast on great meals 3 times a day, 7 days a week. A great way to unwind is to hang out with new friends at the Live and Play Center. While washing and drying your clothes, you can watch TV or challenge someone in the video game room. At our fitness center, you can get in a cardio workout or lift weights. Another way to relax is in the heated outdoor pool, and there is always a pool attendant present. If you need computer access or a different place to study, the Colonel's Den offers 8 computers with free printing. No need to leave Gardiner Point if you're seeking a snack. Our on-site store provides over 6,000 items. Security is a top priority at Gardiner Point. There are 64 video cameras placed throughout the facility, and a security officer makes the rounds on a regular basis. Gardiner Point Residence Hall, a new standard for college housing.